ma'am.
What?
This time you free or not? Because many time you like so many things also there. So that's why I'm asking you.
I am free and
Okay.
I am
So
here for practice.
okay, brother. Good afternoon, brother. How are you?
Good afternoon. I
And
am
how was your practice going on?
yes, my practice is very good. I am learning more and more. I keep
And
watching
kind- which
videos.
kind of like a practice do every day?
I am doing sometime I watch video and I keep listening song. I keep speaking, writing. So this is this is my daily activity. Our communication skill.
Yeah, right, right. Okay, ma.
Have you
Okay, you can.
completed breakfast?
Sorry.
Have you completed breakfast?
Actually, my Ramzan also like starting. That's why I'm fasting right now. So, Ramzan.
I know,
Ramzan.
I
Yeah,
know, I.
I'm fasting. So I'm not eating. I'm not like drinking water. Everything not this time.
Yes, yes.
Not.
So when did you eat food?
Yeah, more evening like 7:30 the time. Uh,
Oh,
yeah, time.
so brother, I forgot. Where are you from?
Actually, I belong to Uttar Pradesh, but I currently living in Gurugram, Haryana.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Mm, And so, are you working?
yeah, I'm working right now.
That's great. So right now, are you in office and are you in home?
No, today is my day off, so I'm in the room.
You are in the room. That's great. So, are you married?
Sorry.
Are you married?
Yeah, I'm also married.
Okay. How many children do you have?
Yeah, I have three kids.
Okay, that's a great, great, great.
And what about you?
I am single and I will marry after 1 or 2 years. Uh,
Why so late, man? Why are you so late, man? Because you have job already. You have earn money also. So why are you so late? Because
it is not good job. It is private job. Okay, and so private sector is very bad, and they can they can terminate. mm they can terminate anytime, any day.
yeah, yeah, private job also no guarantee, no guarantee. Terminate also any time without any reason.
Yes, yes, sir. Without any reason they can terminate. And so private job has a lots of pressure.
Yeah, but I think nowadays so many people also job also private, because if you looking government job, the government job not provide lots of job. So people also move on like a private job, because private job also like easily get and earn money, and
We
they survive for all family. That's why I'm yeah.
government job government job we cannot get easily because it is very long process. First of all, we have to crack exam. Okay.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
we crack exam, after that we can get government job. Otherwise, we cannot get government job. And right now, right now, it has a lot of competition.
Yeah, right. Government job not like easily get job, because if you like government job ऐसा है कि भगवान को तो पा सकते हो, लेकिन अब जॉब नहीं पा सकते this time also.
You saying right?
अगर आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए काम कर रहे हो, तो आप ये भूल जाओ कि कब पाएंगे, क्या करेंगे.
Yes,
So
yes,
I think if you like depend of your family, like your member of like a family, and like a source of only for you, because if you not like earn money, how can survive your whole your family. And I think this is a very problem everyone. So they people also move on like government sector, private sector, and easily some amount like easily earn, and they provide also kind of thing also, and the people also serve this kind of thing. So this is a very tough for like this new generation.
yes.
Yeah. And uh, how about your city? And
Yes, my city is very good. My city is very good, and there, there are a lots of. Am I audible?
yeah, of course you can.
Yes, and there there are a lots of company. There are a lots of schools, colleges, hospital, and it is a very crowd city.
Crowd means like I'm not
It is
understand. Crowd,
like there are there
crowd,
are so people
like a
here.
crowd. You can like consider crowd. Crowd
Crowd.
mean bheed, mean bheed.
Yes, yes.
You can say
There
also, you
there
can
are a
say
lot
also
of
gathering. You can
so
say also gathering.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay, but if you like, I have question, but then if you like learn this language, and how to like opportunity you get like and how to find like a job.
what?
If you learn this language, if you done this language, and then after, what to do for living.
Uh, I I am learning this language for promotion. Right now I am working job and my salary is very less. That's why I want I want a promotion. If I get if I get promotion, I can achieve my salary. That's why that's why I am improving this communication skills.
Yeah, that's very good too. Because everyone like learning this language because they have some reason. Because I have like a job, and I want to promote my job, and I want to see best level, and I have I want to respect who are like everyone, they give also respect. These kind of things also very valuable part of like everyone. And I think learning process also like so many things also. Learning process also required patience, and like honesty, and speaking, so many things also process. So if you like have patience, so I think you are able to understand, and you able to speak, and I think you are become a good speaker in future. So
Yes. So, brother, how long time have you been improving this language?
that's good. That's good.
I am asking, how long
Yeah,
time have you been improving this language?
actually, I started my journey 2 months ago, and I think now every day I connect different kind of people, and improvement lot of things also. And I like use so many kind of thing, and I think video call conference also very good for me, and I think everyone. If you like this things also very lot of improvement everyone. Because audio call also like you are very good, but if you like video call, that time you are so many hesitation, so many like demotivation. So that things also very good for everyone. And I think this kind of thing also improvement lot of things. So my English also improvement, I think. And I think I use these things also every day. After 2 months, 3 months, and 6 months after, I get very fluency myself. Yeah.
Yes, you are saying right. So, brother, what is your favorite food? What is your hobby?
Actually, my hobby is reading book, and watching different kind of like comedy. Like so many time I watch movie. Yeah, and I like food like biryani. Specialist in biryani. You know biryani.
Yes.
This is my favorite, and I think. Yeah, a dal and rice also favorite my. Yeah,
Yes, and my favorite food is spicy vegetable, chapati, rice.
yeah, right.
Brother, what is your favorite fruit? And
Sorry,
what is your favorite fruit? Fruit.
food.
Like, do you like mango, banana,
Yeah,
pineapple?
yeah. I every day use banana, apples, and grapes, and papaya also. This four include four fruit also daily basis. I eat daily basis because my fasting diet. I am fasting, and after evening. evening 7:30 after take fruit also. So this fruit, yeah, I like very good and very much.
Yes, good. So,
So
and
do you
right
have
now,
question?
hello.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I have a question. And right now, weather is summer. So, how do you feel this weather?
Actually, nowadays is weather also like a medium level, like a not like a, you can say not high, you cannot say like a low. It's a medium this time.
Yes, it's a medium.
Yeah.
So, which is your favorite weather? Like summer, winter.
Favorite weather, not like not but if like a medium weather every like if you talk about like winter season, that time starting winter also favorite, but if uh, like how can say uh,